Hi, this is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. In another video, I tried to pull this bar forward and I kept trying and it's like the memory on it just put it right back in the same place. So what I done is I took out these bolts here on top and left the one in the bottom, and I just pulled this out and let my hood come down and it latched. So what I've done, I'm shimmied it here, and I'm going to shimmy it over here. And what I'm using is a ball bearing for a shimming. So I had to find something to shim it with, and hopefully that's enough. See how that works. My bolts was too short, so I went to the hardware store and got some with more threads on the end, and just maybe a hair longer. Why am I using these ball bearings? It's because I had them available, and hopefully the wideness will be what I need. If you had washers or something else to use, you could use something else besides this, but this is, I found this, and this is available that I had. If you notice on this, the threads don't go all the way to the end, and on this other bolt it goes all the way to the end. So that may make I would think that would make a difference it would make a difference on grabbing. And it might have to be just a little bit longer too, but the difference in the threads being all the way to the end or not would make a difference in this situation, because I'm very close. The shims work. New bolts and shims. Actually, shims are the bearings that I had on hand, and ball bearings that I had on hand. These just got little ball bearings inside of them, and it looks pretty rough there, but it works. It wouldn't hurt to have a little oil or something.